What's happening, everybody? Well, how'd you like that voice crack? What's happening, everybody? My name's Holla. Welcome to Galactic Assault on Kamino. Before we get into battle, please do subscribe to the channel and turn on that notification bell as well so you get updates on new content when it comes out. And consider leaving a like and a comment if you like what you see. Let's get into it. Let's get to the grub, or I guess in this case, let's get to the battle. Bet you there's people coming this way.
Closing range. Starting kill sweep.
No? Maybe coming through the hall? Let's see if they're coming this way now. Still not coming this way. Man, I would have. This would be the first thing I did. I would have come this way if I were the Separatist, like, first thing. Uh-oh. Kind of like bottlenecking them at this point. Thread the needle. Oh, destroyed a turret. Oh, and I got a kill assist. They're NASA. Oh, shoot. That's not good. That's definitely not good. Okay, no blinding, please. Oh, they came from behind. Very good. They're learning very well. Oh, good throw, whoever that was. No, no, no. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, crap-a-dooey. Get rid of that turret. Giving us a run for our money. Da-da-da-da. Or for our credits, in this case. Oh. Hello, Grievedivis. Uh-oh. Yeah, they got it. That's okay. I want them to continue.
Our data's been corrupted. We've got to change tactics. Defend what we can, and fall back when we can't. Retreat into the facility. Go! Should have known we couldn't win fast. Make a stand at the landing pads. Prevent their capture as long as possible. We've got reinforcements incoming. If we can last.
Time to go. Come on, open the door, I dare you. Alright, not push my luck here. Let's go back up this way. Uh-oh. Going for that other one I see. I think. Yeah. I'm not gonna mess with two of them over there. Yeah, let's go this way.
Push down to the west landing pad.
Ah, ninja droid. Oh, that was lucky. I did not see where that person was at all. No! Dang it.
East landing pad's in trouble, boys. Take it back now.
No! I almost got him. Ooh. How about this guy? Yeah, might be okay in this stage.
Who said I was cocky?
Got to do better. Reinforcements are en route. They'll never make it in time if we don't stand firm. Fall back into the facility. Go! Go for the barracks and the hangar next. I think I know their goal.
Thought I was gonna hit him, but guess not. Alright, where are they gonna come in at? They were here.
I think you're actually looking for my friend Lando.
Yeah, they're gonna Come this way. Oh. No buenito. I don't want to be blinded. Whoa. I think I got 2 people there. Yep. Oh, I got 3?
So
Dang.
volunteers, or is there
That's
some sort of
unlucky.
stipend?
Oh, that's not good.
So much for subtle.
Oh, get him! Yeah, I got him. Sweet. That's so satisfying.
Let's see Lando do that.
Yeah, exactly.
Vader wasn't in like this track.
Shoot.
It's like talking politics in a gun gun. It wasn't worthless after all.
If they're gonna continue going that way, I might as well get my health back. Or at least I think I have my health back.
Can't take
Whoop. Lose my health at the same time.
a lightsaber.
Well, let's go around and surprise him. Let's go around and surprise him. Da 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 da. Oh, you bastardo! You got in the way. I don't like that.
Don't you have people to deal with guys like me?
Trying to help the best way that I can.
More independent thinkers.
They're still, wow, they're still contesting it. Good job, team. Doing way better than I'm doing right now.
Perfectly normal. Mostly.
Oh, that wasn't good. Well, I was doing good.
Regroup. Our reinforcements are closer than ever. This is our last chance.
No! I almost got him. Looks like they're advancing on that side, so I'll go help out. What's going on over here?
Seems the Archclanker Grievous has joined the battle. Core is shutting down! Grenade! Take way! Not good. Fusion core shutdown initiated. Fusion core in danger. Ally landing, moving to assist. Arming grenade.
Did we win? Did we win? No, we lost.
Tried to defend our
Oh well.
and we failed.
And we failed. Well, thanks for joining me on this video. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.